What is up, everyone? It's me, Alpha X26. Alright, so today we are back with Call of Duty. And this time we're gonna be playing, not playing, we're gonna be doing some best SMGs, submachine guns. SMG is submachine gun. So we're gonna be doing that. This time it's gonna be with me, alright? It's supposed for me. So if you guys don't have a thing, I might leave a poll. I do not know. Alright? So I'm gonna be telling you my favorite SMGs. What I think is the best, alright? So we're gonna go into multiplayer, go to loadout, and I'll show you the guns. So let me see. So I think, wait, let me take it out to SMG. So wait, what the heck? M4LMG is not an SMG. I think it's not an SMG. Alright. So there are some guns which I don't have, so I'm just gonna open that and I'll show you the fire rate and all, right? So as per me, the fifth best SMG is, obviously you should know this, it has to go to the MSMC. This is a MSMC Hazardous. This is a new one. Let me just show you everything. So here we can see that the damage is 73, very nice. But if you're looking for a low recoil, this is not the gun you should have, because the recoil on it is a lot. Fire rate is 70, not bad. Accuracy 41, which is not good. It's not that bad also, but but the range is 29. The range. Now, if you know with guns, range is important. So, if you're looking for a best damage short range, then MSMC is yours. Now, there might be some sound in the background, so please ignore that. Alright? Maybe next time I can stop that. So yeah, that is the number 5 spot. MSMC Wild West, right? So that basically is the MSMC. So now, and by the way, the mobility is 80, which I think might be good. The good thing is, if you're looking for a battle royale when you're stuck in the safe zone, you want the MSMC so you can run faster. But what you do is you just double tap on the weapon which you have equipped and you can go to your knife and run with that. Now, alright, the next one has to go to the PDW. Now the PDW is a very decent gun. I have been using it for about a while, checking out, and I think it's the best. So this is a section 1, it's a best one I have yet, which is got on the battle pass. So PDW 57. Alright, so as you can see, right off the bat, damage is 90, extremely good. Accuracy 40, decent, but the range 25 is not that good. But you can get it, but you need all your ammo will just waste once. So you're looking for decent range, about 10 feet or 11 feet. I'm going to compare this with the MSMC. MSMC damage is lower, alright? And the fire rate on this is lower. So there are different things. Now, like, the double kills instantly add bullets into clip, right? That I don't know what that means. The range of the MSMC is actually showing more somehow. The damage is less, fire rate is more, mobility is less. So it looks like the MSMC is a decent weapon. But I think they might have added a buff to it, like upgraded it. But the PDW is still one of the best guns, one of the best SMGs in the game, right? So now let's go. Now, as per number 3, for me, is the Pharaoh. Now, the Pharaoh I do not have, so I'm gonna be showing it to you. Alright. Now, if we go to the store, no event or. Oh, I already got this somehow. Like I became invisible. Let's go. So you go to seasonal, I guess. Here's a cordite. Now, this is a first one, cordite. Now I'm gonna be showing you the void draw one. All right. The heck, can I just tap it? Oh, I got this one, this one, this one. I really like this, or this also. It's fine. So this is a cordite 0G. It's a new skin. Yeah, it's a new skin. So the cordite 0G, it has a extreme death effect thingamajig. So can you see the little bubble thing over there? What the heck is that? Alright now. Oh, it literally controls it. What? Whatever. Now let's move on. Not move on like go to the next gun, but so the damage is 74. Not bad. The range is 40, which is good because we need something with range. Fire rate 67. Mobility is 80. Nice. Accuracy is decent. 58. Now, as per me, the cordite is a good gun. Reload time for it is not that good. Also, it's not that bad. Also, the best reload time is actually for the. If you ask me, in SMG is a GKS. Now the GKS is not one of the best. I'm not including it on the list. I did say it was a Pharaoh, but it's actually the cordite. Or is it the Pharaoh? Yeah, Pharaoh is not there. No, I don't know. The Pharaoh is a very bad range gun. If you're looking for short range, I think you should go with it. With most pros, if they ask for short range SMG, they will say that. But I think the MSMC is better. So the cordite 0G or cordite or whatever, that's everything there. So we don't have it. So once I get it, I'm gonna show you. It's in the 1v1. Yeah, and everyone who's viewing this, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. And this game, Call of Duty Mobile, is free on iOS, which is Apple, and Android. You should know what's Android, alright? Now that is a cordite 0G. Now on to the next. Let's go to loadout again. Now let me show you what I think should be the second best. Please ignore the voice, please. SMG, submachine gun. The submachine gun, I believe, is second best. It's not the RUS or RUS or whatever you call it. I think it might be the Chicom. It's the Chicom, alright. For the GKS, the reload time is very nice. I do have it, but I'm not using it. The HG40 not that good. So if you're looking for a decent burst, then I think this is what you should go. The Chicom. Now the Chicom is a decent weapon. It's yellow. My skin is yellow at least. So now let's see. No, why did I? What the heck? Can I not? No, why? Can I not? No. Alright. So the Chicom is a decent weapon. Burst is good. Range is 42, which we need some range. seriously, we need some range. Damage is 75, very nice. Accuracy is 60, nice. Mobility is the most, which is good, not bad. Fire rate 66, that is decent. Kills increase reload speed. The more kills you get, the more reload you get. That's what? No. As for me, the best weapon of all time, it is the RUS, or as I like to call, the Rus 79U Dawn, or any skin, whatever. So now let me tell you why Rus is my favorite. Since this is my favorite, I'm gonna be giving you a test of how nice it is. Range is not that good, but I swear it's a good gun. So we are playing hardpoint, and I'll show you. What the heck? Why is it? I did not even equip it. Wow. Alright, whatever. There's a 4 grip. The 4 grip is very. Oh, it's just good. Was that an extended mag? Yeah. Alright, now. Let's start practice for hardpoint. We're gonna play in takeoff. Firing range. Alright. Let's see who we get. Oh, why are we waiting for so long? Look at me, I'm nomad. True it. Oh, that I got that in daily reward for 24 days. Why is there no sound? Just. Why is not there? There's no sound. The volume's up. Oh, is that a? Wait. Technical difficulties. You know what? Let's just. Are you fine with the volume? No. Wait, there's already 15? What in the world? Oh, hello. Did that guy snipe him? Alright, UAV, and my UAV. Did I ever die? I'm out. No, they can't capture it. Why did they chuck that smoke? There. Charge now. We're not dead. Is this guy a bird in the... Bye. See, you saw it's a long shot. But the recoil, there's not that. Oh, dude, can you see my jump button, by the way? I increased it. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Everyone wish to wear going stop and say, oh, my access one class here. Reload this. Happens, exit. Alright now. See. Oh no! Hey! He took more than me. Let's see how much. Mina racist. Is that a... That was a different language you won't understand. Don't overheat. Who's Mega Tony, by the way? Just check. Hey. Where are they? I saw you can't run away from me. You can't, little poo-poo. They think they can capture it. Are they? Nah, they can't. Screen just went black. What the heck is the charger? Let me. Alright. Nice. Hey, what are you doing? Don't come here. I'm not even shooting him. What the war? I need to be in the hard point. No one here. Yeah. There we go. Now this is a... What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who told you to come here? Papa tell? My friends are having a bad time. Oh, we just won. Team and Cupcakes. Team and Cupcakes. Wait, did I even pronounce it correct? Team Cupcakes. Or type 45 is actually type 25. I don't know. Cryobomb? Is a bomb crying? Or I don't. That's a pharaoh. I just know. It's the worst. Dude, is the internet even good? Dude, our internet's almost dead. The cyclone, that is. Okay. Please, faster. There we go. Teen Cupcakes. That's a I'm not sure about that. I don't want to make some cupcakes out of teens, right? Hey, I got 20 kills. What the heck? Let's go. Stupid internet. Am I recording? Okay, let me check. Yeah, alright. Sorry, I quit the game. I thought I was not recording. So that was a RUS, or as I like to call a Rust 79U. Alright. Now, that was a thing. Now that was our little rank. How good the weapon and all are. That means it's 26. Alright, see you all in the next video. I'll just upload it down now. Alright, bye. See you later.